Number 1. Rolls-Royce Spectre. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Spectre marks the brand's first fully electric production vehicle, blending timeless craftsmanship with state-of-the-art EV technology. Presented as a premium two-door Grand Tourer, it starts at approximately $420,000. With custom options, pricing can climb well beyond $500,000. Equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, it produces 577 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The Black Badge Edition enhances performance further, boasting 650 horsepower and 793 pound-feet of torque. Powered by a 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Spectre delivers an EPA estimated range of 206 to 277 miles, with a maximum of up to 329 miles under WLTP standards. Fast charging at up to 195 kilowatts enables a 10% to 80% recharge in roughly 35 minutes. The Spectre embodies Rolls-Royce's commitment to serenity and refinement beyond raw performance. Measuring over 5.44 meters in length and weighing nearly 3 tons, it achieves a sleek drag coefficient of 0.25, aided by the reimagined Spirit of Ecstasy. Inside, the cabin is exceptionally quiet. Number 2. Audi A6 Avant. The 2025 Audi A6 Avant is a landmark in the luxury wagon segment, uniting elegance, advanced technology, and practicality. Its sleek, aerodynamic design achieves a drag coefficient of just 0.25, making it one of the most efficient wagons Audi has ever produced. Measuring slightly over 196 inches in length, it offers numerous personalization options, including wheel sizes from 18 to 21 inches and up to 10 color choices, blending athletic presence with refined style. Under the hood, Audi provides multiple powertrains. A 2.0-liter petrol engine with around 260 horsepower, a 2.0-liter diesel with roughly 335 horsepower, and a 3.0-liter V6 with mild hybrid technology, producing up to 367 horsepower. The latter accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. Inside, the A6 Avant features a 12-inch digital driver display, a 14.5-inch infotainment system, an optional passenger screen, 4-zone climate control, and a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system. Pricing begins at approximately $58,000 in the US. The 2025 A6 Avant perfectly balances power, innovation, and everyday usability. Number 3. Volvo S90. The 2026 Volvo S90 ushers in a new era of Scandinavian luxury, merging classic elegance with modern technology. This flagship sedan showcases a refined silhouette, updated LED Thor's hammer headlights, and a bold front grille. Inside, it highlights sustainable materials, ambient lighting, and Volvo's signature minimalist design. Expected powertrains include a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid, producing around 300 horsepower, and a fully electric option, offering over 400 horsepower, with up to 370 miles of range. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and optional AWD, the S90 delivers a balance of control and comfort. Tech highlights include a Google-powered infotainment system on a 15-inch display, over-the-air updates, and Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities. Pricing starts near $58,000, with higher trims, especially EV variants, potentially reaching $75,000. The 2026 S90 redefines luxury with a blend of safety, sustainability, and innovation. Number 4. Maserati Levante. The 2026 Maserati Levante represents a bold evolution of the luxury SUV, fusing Italian sophistication with performance. The lineup begins with the GT Hybrid, powered by a 2.0-liter turbo engine paired with an electric motor for seamless efficiency. The Modena trim houses a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, while the flagship Trofeo boasts a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8, renowned for its raw power and signature exhaust note. All variants include an 8-speed automatic and Maserati's Q4 AWD system. A fully electric Folgore version is expected, potentially featuring a tri-motor setup for exceptional performance. Design updates bring a sleeker aerodynamic profile, a refreshed grille, and sharper LED lighting. Inside, premium leather pairs with wood or carbon fiber accents, alongside advanced tech, including a digital cluster and expansive infotainment screen with wireless connectivity. Pricing starts at $147,600 for the GT Hybrid, around $200,000 for the Modena, and up to $234,600 for the Trofeo. The 2026 Levante firmly positions Maserati among elite luxury SUVs, offering power, exclusivity, and unmistakable Italian flair.